them. Let you come on. That's into your first round, you know. Question here, never said piano. Said two a trap. Question now, or your 3 points. Your right question, you get a question for the answer to the first question is right. 3 points. But say in two in Yama, the big zero. We will give a bonus. Remember next school now or two. So next school to Yama or your 1 point. But your answer. Question now 3 points. Then two more, a bonus the man. Bonus question, the one who will be able to answer the bonus question will get 1 point. In that vein, are you ready? Okay, so what is this one? Okay, it's Ejolu Council representative Kwame Ampa Kosa Junior. Set on ground. Ejolu Kwame Ampa Kosa. Okay. Princess Afonsa. Okay. Mary Anne Preparation. Emmanuel Afon. That's one. Mark Louise Kwame. Okay. Now, area number second, D.O. Judges. Amelia Sheila. Now, Alex Cecilia. Okay, so you can keep the ball running. Okay. Each question we are about 15 seconds. Samantha Krama, 15 seconds. Then they one question. 15 seconds. Look at and then my next two. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, the first question goes to Ariako Basaka, DA. The causative organism of tuberculosis is A, virus, B, bacterium, C, malnutrition, D, protozoa. I ask again. The causative organism of tuberculosis is A, virus, B, bacterium, C, malnutrition, D, protozoa. Bacterium. Correct for 3 points. Pass it on to Ellembelle. JHS. Your major question. Ellembelle. The first person who discovered Mycobacterium tuberculosis was A, Louis Pasteur, B, Robert Koch, C, Edward Jenner, D, none of the above. I repeat, the first person who discovered Mycobacterium tuberculosis was A, Louis Pasteur, B, Robert Koch, C, Edward Jenner, and D, none of the above. Louis Pasteur. Sorry. We'll pass it on to the next group. Mary Amber, Corporation. You have 5 seconds to respond. No, please. We'll pass it on to the last group. You have only 2 options. Robert Koch. Correct. To Mary Amber Preparatory School. Mary Amber. Your major question. The BCG vaccine is administered for immunity against. The BCG vaccine is administered for immunity against A, malaria, B, tuberculosis, C, jaundice, D, hepatitis. I repeat the answers. A, malaria, B, tuberculosis, C, jaundice, and D, hepatitis. E, tuberculosis. Correct for 3 points. Now to Ellembelle Basakai. Your major question. World Health Organization recommended a control strategy for TB known as. The World Health Organization recommended a control strategy for TB known as A. DOT, B. Gene therapy, C. Morphine, and D. MCT.
A. Dot.
Correct for 3 points. Yes, Ajalu. Your major question. What is the theme for World TB Day 2025? What is the theme for World TB Day 2025? A. Yes, we can. Yes, we can end TB. Commit, invest, deliver. B. The clock is ticking. C. It's time. D. It's time to end the stigma. Correct for 3 points. Mary Andrew. When people breathe in TB bacteria, the bacteria can settle in the A. Groin, B. Chest, C. Heart, D. Lungs.
Chest.
Sorry. The bonus to Ellembelle. We have 5 seconds. Sorry. Pass it on to Ajalu.
Lungs.
Correct for 1 point. Ellembelle, your major question. The World Health Organization declared TB a global emergency and a disease of public health importance in which year? A. 1958, B. 1993, C. 1990, and D. 2000. Correct for 3 points. Yes, Ajalu, sorry. In Dutch, TB was declared an African emergency by WHO in August 2002. That is A. B. August 2005. C. August 2000. And D. August 2020.
A.
Come again.
A.
Let me repeat the answers again. A. 2002. B. A. August 2002. B. August 2005. C. August 2000. And D. August 2020.
August 2000.
August 2000. Sorry. Yes. He said I'm correct for 1 point. Fernando, your major question. What is the role of TB treatment supporter? What is the role of a TB treatment supporter? A. Direct observation of treatment. B. Mark the TB treatment card. C. Motivate patients. D. All of the above. What is the role of TB treatment supporter? A. Direct observation of treatment. B. Mark the TB treatment card. C. Motivate the patient. D. All of the above.
All of the above.
Correct for 3 points. So at this juncture, we come to the end of the first round. Shall we clap for our contestants? They've done very, very well. They've done very, very well. Very impressive performance. So we shall get the scores. Okay, Mr. Nico. So this is the end of round one. So our quiz mistress will just give us the scores for the result.
Alright, so area classic 31 at 10 points.
Area group has like 10 points. Oh, almost it.
So 14 is that they have 4 points.
Ejalu 4 points. 4 points. Ejalu
And then team 5, Mariano, they have 7 points.
7 points. Mary Ando. Because yes, was me. Which will be when I be a poet, the problem, but I be a poet, question badly. Hello.
Ayezi. Wakasa bebree a contestants no want two questions no. We need to concentrate to here. Okay. So round 2. I will ask a question, a preamble. The same preamble will apply to all 3 schools. So listen attentively. The question goes to all 3 schools. The same preamble will go for all of you, and I will expect all of you to give me the answer to that very same question. Please, do you understand? Okay. When you get the question correct, it's a 3 points. This one, there is no bonus. All right. So, I will start from Ajalu. Name one of the signs and symptoms of TB.
Coughing up blood.
Coughing up blood. Correct for 3 points. Mariano. Name one of the signs of TB. Signs and symptoms of TB.
Sneezing.
No. Ellembelle.
Night sweat.
I can't hear you.
Night sweat.
Night sweat. Correct for 3 points. I'll go again. Yes. One of the signs and symptoms of TB.
Weight loss.
Weight loss. Correct for 3 points. Yes.
Loss of appetite.
Loss of appetite. Correct for 3 points. Then lastly.
Chest. Chest.
Chest pain. Correct for 3 points. Correct for 3 points. Now, listen to your second preamble to the whole school, starting from Ajalu. Mention one of the 7 steps for taking good sputum samples. One of the 7 steps for taking good sputum sample.
Going to the laboratory after collecting the sample.
So the question is taking good sputum sample. Okay. So instead you will taking a good sputum sample. Come again. The last chance.
After collecting the sample, go to the laboratory for the test.
No. Yes. Mariano. The same question.
Taking in prescribed drugs.
No. Ellembelle.
Pursue high quality dot and enhancement. Pursue high quality dot enhancement and Expansion.
Okay. No. So let me give the answers to this. So what you would want to say is that before you take a sputum, ansana ebeji obi ahor. Example ahoye de eye. Na etumaji ahor. Wachasa. So one is that you have to label the specimen container. So when we watched the drama here, you saw that the nurse took a container and they were coughing, spitting into it. That container, label the container. Then you fill in the sputum examination request form. So there is a form that you are supposed to fill. It's one of the steps. You fill in the form. Then you find a suitable space in which to collect the specimen. Then you explain specimen collection process. So you are already able to learn. You explain the process to the person. Then you collect the specimen. When you collect the specimen, you store the specimen. Storage of the specimen. Then the second step is that you explain the appointment date and if the patient is to transfer the specimen, what they should do. So these are the steps that is involved in taking a this sputum sample. Are we okay? All right. So let's go to the next question. This one, it goes to all of you. State people. Hello. To Ajalu. State people who are at risk of getting TB. State one of the groups of people who are at risk of getting TB. I'll give it to you. Babies and young children. Correct for 3 points. Please, the contestants are saying that where you living.
Okay, hello. Hello. Yes, someone I don't know all the points. So may here and happen.
The question is, state one of the group of people who are at risk of getting TB. She has made mention of children, babies and young children. There is one group.
Adult.
I wouldn't give you that. Yes, Ariabo. The same question. One of the group of people at risk of getting TB. Okay, your time is up. So the answers to it is people living with HIV, they are at risk of getting TB. Babies and young children, like I said, people who work in dusty environments are at risk of getting TB. And contact of TB cases. If I have TB and someone who stays with me is at risk of getting the TB. So these are the group of people who are at risk of getting TB. We'll be able to make it TB. All right, the next question goes to all of you again from Adam. When should one do sputum examinations for TB? When should one do sputum examinations for TB?
After experiencing some of the TB.
Yes, I know that. So specifically, just name one of the symptoms that you want to.
After coughing up blood.
Okay, so when there is coughing up of blood, yes, correct for 3 points. Yes, Mariano.
After night sweat.
Yeah, I won't give you that time. Yes, Ariano. Ariano.
Chocolate.
do that. So let me give you the answers and explain. All right. So one
Ago. Yes, seven. Again, it's fully a good problem. Take Kunya more, the little seven. About Maya, electric planning. Maybe the question was it. But all I carry the election. Mama and Dick, and then you are against you more hair. Is I a way more in the new seven. But my idea is not easy. Otherwise.
One of the way is when you follow up a water,
Coughing continuously for 2 weeks or more is one. Okay.
Coughing continuously for 2 weeks or more. When you see that, you need to do a sputum examination. Now, coughing for less than 2 weeks or of uncertain duration, and especially when the person is having HIV, person is tested positive for HIV, and can cough up blood. So it's not just coughing up blood and protein and whatever the person should do. When you are coughing continuously, you should go in and take a sample or test. You don't need to have 2 weeks before you go. The moment you start coughing and your coughing is continuous, within a day, 2 days, 3 days, straightforward, go and then do the sputum test. Then if you are a contact, you are a case to a contact. Okay, so a contact case. I have TB and my sister or my brother is close to me. That person should also do that sputum. And if he or she has had TB in the past and having symptoms of TB, then the person will need to do sputum examination again. Please have it clear. The last question for this round, and it goes to all of us, all the 3 schools. Please pay attention. This, you should all get it right. What is the meaning of the alphabet? The first school to answer is Ajalo. What is the meaning of the alphabet in the acronym WELL? Well, used for communication in TB. So in TB, we use well in communication. What is the meaning of the? What is the meaning of the E? What is the meaning of the L? What is the meaning of the last L? Ajalu from JJs.
Well.
So one of the letters. Just give us a meaning of one of the letters.
L.
W is what?
Well.
Well. I'm giving you another chance. You still have time. What does the W mean in well? What does the E mean in well? What does the L mean in well? What does the last L mean in well? When communicating in TB.
Well.
No, sorry. Yes, the next one.
Welcome your patient.
Correct for 3 points. Welcome your patient. Correct for 3 points. Yes, to Ellembelle Massacre, DAGHS. They have made mention of the W, so it's left with the E and the double L. What is the meaning of the E? What is the meaning of the L? In TB communication. Your time is going. Time up. Okay, so the E in well is encourage your patient to talk. And the L means look at your patient. And the last L means listen to your patient. On this note, we come to the end of the second round. Let's give them a round of applause. So DJ, the last round is the true or false session.
So
the school wants to swap their contestants.
So we have here Lawrence Upper. Lawrence Upper replacing equally.
If the other schools also want to swap their contestants, please feel free to do so before we continue. We have one more round to go. After this, we do one last round. So if you want to swap your contestants, we'll be doing 4 rounds instead. Yes. Okay. So we go to the score slide.
Okay, so at the end of round 2, we have team 1, Area Broadcasting, having 6 points.
Area Broadcasting, 6 points. Oh, almost 6 points. Area Broadcasting.
And then team 2, Ejaluko, had 12 points.
12 points. Ejaluko, 12 points.
And then team 5, Mariando, had 6 points.
Mariando, 6 points.
Okay, so welcome to the third round for today. We will start from Mariando. Complete the following sentences. This round will go to all of you. Mariando, you'll be answering. You'll be the one to start answering. Complete the following sentences with the correct words. Each correct answer earns you 2 points, but 1 point for a bonus answer. Are we all clear? Each correct answer will earn you 2 points. If it's a bonus, you get 1 point. Are we all clear? So you are just going to complete the sentence for me. I will give you answers. Mariando. TB that affects the lungs is called. TB that affects the lungs is called. Mariando. Microphone, please. TB that affects the lung is called. Bonus. The bonus will go to Ellembelle first. Okay. The bonus to your bonus. TB that affects the lungs is called. Your 5 seconds. Correct for 1 point. Tuberculosis. Now, your major question, Ellembelle. TB that affects other parts of the body. Please. Ellembelle Basakai. TB that affects other parts of the body is. TB that affects other parts of the body is.
I go back to.
We still have time to watch now. We still have time. Bonus to Ajalu.
Extra pulmonary tuberculosis.
Correct for 1 point. Now your major question. What is the full meaning of DOT? Dot. What is the full meaning of dot?
Doctors Organization Body.
No, please. Pass it on. Bonus question to Mariando.
Organization treatment.
Come again.
Direct organization treatment.
Please. A bonus to
Direct observation therapy.
Okay, I'll give it to you. Point for 1 point. So directly observe therapy or treatment. Okay, so I'll give it to you. Correct. Now we go to yes, so Marianne, your major question. The causative organism for TB is the causative organism for TB is causative organism that causes TB is
Microbacterium.
are you done?
Microbacterium.
I'll give you 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2. It's microbacterial tuberculosis. You have to add the tuberculosis to it. So you said 1, so I'm giving you 1. Okay. All right. Okay, so we move on to area. What sample is taken for TB laboratory investigation? What sample is taken for TB laboratory investigation? What sample is taken for TB laboratory investigation? Your time is up. Okay, speak. What did you say? No, please. Pass it on. What? Correct for 1 point. Now your major question. How long does it take to complete TB treatment?
6 to 8 months.
Correct for 3 points. 2 points, 2 points. Mariano, a person who has spent time with someone with infectious TB is a person who has spent time with someone with infectious TB is a person who has spent time with someone with infectious TB is a talk to the microphone. Okay, your time is up. Bonus to area home. You have 5 seconds. Bonus to Ajalu.
It's at risk to contaminate TB.
No, it's a contact. A contact. Okay. All right. So, I will put your major question. TB of the lymph glands is called TB of the lymph glands. Let me change this question for all of us. Okay. So I'll give you this question. TB disease of the lungs or throat, which can spread to other people, is TB disease of the lungs or throat, which can spread to other people, is no. So we want to know TB disease that spreads from one person to another person is what? No. Pass it on to the next. What is it?
Pulmonary tuberculosis.
I wouldn't give you that. Marianne.
Anthrax tuberculosis.
It's infectious TB. Infectious TB. Are you okay? All right. So, I don't know the major question. A person who can spread TB to others because he or she is coughing TB bacteria into the air is called a person who can spread TB to others because he or she is coughing TB bacteria into the air is called it's called okay, bonus. Mariando, no idea. Ariamo, no idea. It's called an infectious person. You are spreading, so you are infectious. And they check. Okay. Last question from the round. Mariando. The type of TB that can cause infertility in women, painless hematuria, that is painless blood in the urine, or repeated urinary tract infection is called, just listen to what I'm saying, and I'm giving you a clue. I will help all of you this last round. So to you, your answer will end with TB, okay? Your answer should end with TB, something TB. So we are saying that the type of TB that can cause infertility in women, or painless urination of blood, or repeated urinary tract infection is called, yes, try.
Meningitis, tuberculosis.
No. Your time is up to. Yes, bonus. Ariabu, bonus. You have 5 seconds. Time is up. Adabu.
Ovarian tuberculosis.
No. So I was saying urinating, blood, urinary tract infection. So I was expecting something urinary TB or urinary TB. You understand? Are you okay? All right. We will make that question. The type of TB that causes slow onset headache, fever, neck stiffness, mental confusion, and drowsiness is. These are signs and symptoms of some disease condition. So it's TB something. TB that disease. It was said here. I'm just trying to help. Yes, say something. No, come again. Say another one. Disease condition. TB. It starts with M. TB. Your bonus. No, it's TB meningitis. Okay. It's a bonus to you. Oh, sorry. I'm taking your point there. Okay, so you tell us what is it?
Tuberculosis.
Okay, correct. We'll give you 1 point. It's not for you. I took the impression. All right. So the last question goes to you, Adalo. TB meningitis is common in which group of people? TB meningitis is common in which group of people? No. Belongs to Ellembelle. People. No. Belongs to Ellembelle. Okay. No idea. It's common to children. So at this point, we come to the end of the round 3. Let's clap for the contestants. They've done very well. So we'll take the scores from our team.
Okay. So at the end of round three, we had team one, Ellembelle having 1 point.
Ellembelle Baseke 1 point. Oh, what was it?
And then team two, Ellembelle having 5 points.
Ajalim 5 points.
Marianne team 5 having 2 points.
Marianne 2 points.
Alright, so this is the last round, and this one is Coco. Two of us, you will talk. Two of us. If you get it correct, 5 points. If you get it correct, 5 points. Are you okay? Are you ready? So we are starting from here. If you get it wrong, don't go on 0. Ideally, I should deduct 1 mark, but makes it right here, so 0. Okay, so let's go on. Tuberculosis is caused by a virus. True or false? Ellembelle. Tuberculosis is caused by a virus. True or false? Correct for 5 points. False. All right. TB can be transmitted from person to person through touching or sharing plates and cups. True or false? Correct for 5 points. TB can be transmitted through singing. True or false? TB can be transmitted through singing. True or false?
False.
No. It's true. It's true. Ellembelle, you see when you say, sometimes you never droplet. Okay, there's droplet that come out and then someone can get it. All right. Question. Major question. TB only affects the lungs. TB only affects the lungs. True or false?
False.
Correct for 5 points. 1. Adam, everyone infected with TB will eventually fall sick and die without treatment. True or false?
False.
Correct for 5 points. Some people are more likely than others to develop TB because some people are more likely than others to develop TB disease once they have been infected. Listen again. Some people are more likely than others to develop TB disease once they have been infected. True or false?
True.
Correct for 5 points. Ellembelle. People who use drugs, who are HIV negative are at risk of tuberculosis. People who use drugs who are HIV negative are at risk of tuberculosis. True or false? Correct for 5 points. Tuberculosis is preventable and curable. True or false? Correct for 5 points. Treatment for TB is not for free. Treatment for TB is not for free. True or false?
False.
Correct for 5 points. Treatment for TB is free everywhere. Free. You don't need to have national health insurance or anything. It's free. A person drinking alcohol beverages, drinking alcohol beverages can be dangerous whilst on TB treatment. True or false?
True.
Correct for 5 points. Ajalo. TB in the lungs or throat cannot be infectious. TB in the lungs or throat cannot be infectious. True or false?
False.
Correct for 5 points. Begando. TB patients with extrapulmonary TB are usually not infectious. TB patients with extrapulmonary TB are usually not infectious. True or false? Correct for 5 points. Now this is the last set of round. Finish hand. Pulmonary TB. Pulmonary TB is not the most common type of TB worldwide. Pulmonary TB is not the most common type of TB worldwide. True or false?
True.
No. The winning streak has broken. TB is curable in HIV positives, just as patients without TB. TB is curable in HIV positives, just as patients without HIV. True or false?
So please the question again.
TB is curable in HIV positives. People who are HIV positives, TB is curable in them, just as patients without TB. True or false?
True.
Correct for 5 points. And the last one for the day goes to Mary Angel. Make us all proud. Make us all proud. TB germs are spread sharing dishes, plates, and clothes. TB germs. TB germs. TB germs are spread sharing dishes, plates, clothes. True or false?
True.
Indeed. No, it's false. It's false. When I have TB and I give you my plate, you can't get TB. If I give you the cup, you can't get TB. If I give you my cup, you can't get. You get it? It's spread through the air. Okay. All right. So at this time we come to the end of the final round, and we are putting the scores together, and we will know our winner. Shall we clap for our contestants?
A round of applause for our contestants from various schools. That's right.